This is the tab about splitting your data. So sometimes you want to split your data here into 2 columns and to separate it, whether it's by a comma or a space or a semicolon or even something a bit custom. So what we want to do in this instance is to highlight this column, and I'm going to avoid line 1. So I'm going to come to the bottom, I'm going to hit Shift and then click A20, which will highlight this whole column without this first row. Now I want to go up to Data and split text to columns. Now this knew automatically because a comma and a space is pretty popular. But down here, again, it detected automatically. But you can say, all right, well, if there was a period in between the two, to separate them there, or just a space, or what have you. So this, I would need to clean up this row. But other than that, that saves you a lot of time.